Hey guys, we're going to be working on a word problem today, and it's going to involve, let's see if you can get the hint. It's going to involve something like this, and maybe it'll involve something like this. Oh, that's a terrible one. And then maybe it'll involve something like these little guys here. Can you guess what it is? If you guessed this, then you are correct. It is fruit. Now, obviously this is math, so we're going to be doing a fruit word problem. How much fun is that? So let's go to the next slide and take a look at the word. Okay, so what we have here is a chart on the side that shows fresh fruit today, as well as a little word problem over here on the left. Let's read that out loud. Monica wants to buy all the fruit shown on this sign. She has coupons for 45 cents off the cost of 1 pint of blueberries and 35 cents off of 1 watermelon. What will Monica's total cost be after the discounts? Okay, so this is a multi-step problem, and this dude even tells you here. There is more than one step to this problem, so thanks for the clue. So what would be the first step? If she wants to buy all of the fruit shown, that means she wants to buy all of these fruits, and if we're going to combine or find an in all answer, that's going to be addition, right? So let's add these bad boys together. Now, in 5th grade, I would expect that you should be able to stack at 4 numbers to add. So we'll try to do that, but trust me, if it's too hard for you, it's okay to add 2 at a time. That's okay if you want to do that. You could add these 2 together and then get a total, and then add these 2 together and get a total, and then add those 2 together to get a total. That's fine. I'm going to go beast mode, and I'm going to add them all together. So I have $1.29, $3.29, 92 cents, put a 0 here to hold that place value, 92 cents, and $5.65. Man, that's an expensive watermelon. I'm going to kind of move this up a little bit. Okay, so this will give me the total cost of buying one of each fruit. Let's add these together. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. And then 20 plus 5 is 25. So regroup the 2 and then put the 5 down here. Okay, easy. So now the next step would be to add my next column. 2, 2, 4, 6. And then these 6 plus 6 here, that's a doubles fact 12. 12 plus 9 is 21. So regroup the 2 here, 1 here, and then all these decimals come down. Bring the decimal right there. And I can probably get rid of this guy right here now. Bring the decimal down. And then I can add my last column. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is a doubles fact, that's 6. And then 6 plus 5 is 11. So I have $11.15. And what does that represent? Well, that $11.15 is the total of buying one of each fruit. Oops, each fruit. Right, that's the total, $11.15. So we'll go to the next slide and we'll see if we can use that number, $11.15. Okay, so the total is $11.15. Now, that's how much she would spend if she's just going to go buy them outright. But it does tell me somewhere in here that she has 2 coupons, 45 cents off and 35 cents off. So if I have 2 numbers that are both of those are going to give me a discount. I could take this total and subtract 45 cents and then take that total and subtract 35 cents, but wouldn't it be just much easier to combine the coupons? So that's the total spent. Now let's try to find the total coupons. Coupons. Spelling is not happening right now. Let's try that again. Total coupons. Coupons, yeah. So the total coupons, let's find that. We said it was 35 cents and 45 cents. So I have 35 cents, and I have 45 cents. And I can add those together because I want to find out the total coupons that are going to be discounted off of the price. So this is a real easy one here. Let's do yellow. 5 plus 5, that's 10. Regroup to 1. And then I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring down the decimal. And that's it. There's nothing there, so it's 0. And I'm left with 80 cents. So that means I have 80 cents for my total coupons. Total coupons, 80 cents. So I'm going to go to my last slide and see if I can find my answer now. Okay, so I had total spent was $11.15. That was my total for buying one of each fruit for Monica. And I'm going to subtract the total coupons, which was 80 cents. You know what? I'm just going to put zeros here. Make it easier. So let's label this real quick, because when you're doing word problems, it really helps to label the numbers. So this is the total cost, I guess is a better way to put it. And this number is the total discount. Ooh. Total discount. And you know what? I don't really like the way that cost looks, so let's see if we can maybe fix that. Maybe not. Okay. It's not working. There we go. The total cost. So the total cost and the total discount, we're going to subtract the discount and see what we get. 5 minus 0, that's easy, 5. 1 minus 8, we can't do that, so we have to regroup and make this into 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Bring down the decimal. 0, 0, that's a 0. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. So then I have $10.35. What does that number represent? Well, that's how much she's going to spend, right? After the total cost, we subtract the total discount, and we get $10.35. So what we're going to do is put that in an answer statement. So let's look at the question, and I'll show you what an answer statement looks like. The question says, what will Monica's total cost be after the discounts? Okay, so to make an answer sentence, it looks like this. We take the question and make it into a statement. So right now, the way it's written says, what will Monica's total cost be after the discount? So we can say, Monica, we're going to change it to a statement. Monica's total cost after the discounts is, Monica's total cost after the discounts is boom. And we know that number because we did all the math. It's right here, $10.35. So the total cost after the discounts is $10.35. And there you go. That is how to solve that word problem. It's 2 steps. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.